Video on how to clear the SRS airbag service urgent symbol in case you have removed the driver's seat and disconnected the airbag. So we've just done a system scan and we have all of these SRS codes here. So SRS Supplemental Inflatable Resistance System, we're going to enter that and then we'll say okay. We don't just want to clear the code here. Let's just read the code so that we can see it. We know what we did. We were replacing the seat. Okay. Rear seat belt buckle. I don't remember removing the rear seat belt buckle. I removed the front one. Signal missing. Of course, when the belt is missing, indicator light signal missing. That's not possible because we can see that the airbag symbol is there. Lamp signal missing, that is not possible. Well, this is proof with 12 volts that the airbag is connected. So go back and we're just gonna go to special function, reset crash mode. And clear the DTC. Okay. No more fault code in the SRS. The SRS airbag light is gone. You can turn the engine off and start the car again. And there you go. The SRS airbag light is gone. So that's it. If you ever remove the seat and by chance the airbag light comes on, that's how to reset that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think about this video. I know I'm getting better at my videography.